me for this show?
They had offered me this earlier also, but that time I was not sure. I was like, oh God, fear factor. I can't do all this. I can't play with insects. I can't. But sometimes I think you just have to tell yourself that you have to go do something very exciting, very different that you're not going to get to a chance to do again. So I think purely I'm just going there for the excitement of it, for the adventure of it.
So, you'll be leaving in 2 days. What
Yeah.
have you packed so far?
I've not packed anything. I've been on antibiotics for the last 5 days. But yes, I'm going to go do my packing. It's just going to take a lot of, I think, gym clothes, a lot of sportswear, a lot of shoes. I think that's what you need the most.
Okay, what's like everyone asks, what is your biggest fear?
When they ask me that, of course I'm petrified of insects and rats and things like that. But also when they say I'll probably say, oh, I'm not scared of heights. I'm not scared of water. But when you ask me to stand on a helicopter and jump in the middle of the ocean, of course I'm going to be scared. So I think your biggest fears will only come out once you're there. That's when you'll know what you are really really scared of.
Okay, so what is your biggest strength?
Biggest strength will also I think I'll also know that once I'm there because I go to the gym physically. I feel I'm fit enough, okay, but only once I'm there I'll know exactly how fit I am.
So how you've been training yourself? I mean, probably signed the papers much before. So have you been training?
Honestly, I would have loved to train but for the last 7 days I've been so sick and so unwell. So no, but of course I've been going to the gym for the last few years. So definitely that should help.
One stunt that you had Rohit Shetty take.
I think I'm not going to comment on that right now. He's going to be hosting us. He's going to be giving us a lot of tips. I think I should just keep my mouth shut.
Are there any friends in the whole team?
Honestly, this is I'm meeting. I don't know anybody on this team. This is the first time I've met everybody. Everybody seems very friendly, very warm. So looking forward to being with different people, new people. It'll be exciting.
What's the one thing about Cape Town that you're looking forward to?
And honestly, I've never been to Cape Town, so I'm actually really looking forward to. I've heard it's a beautiful, beautiful place. So let's see how much of that will we really be able to enjoy in the middle of all this. We're hoping to just going and having a good time there.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Very soon.
Thank you so much. Thank